CultTech Summit for me is a place to meet artists, people from cultural sector, from business and so on, who are engaged with contemporary challenges.
One of the richness of this kind of events is really to bring together actors with different hats, with different experiences.
A series of surprises of interesting people.
Bringing together culture and technology. This estuary, it's where the salt water meets the fresh water and a very particular kind of life can emerge.
We have a wide range from VR theater to exhibition spaces, and it's a great way to experience how technology is changing culture.
Artists are the only ones who identify disruption early because they are all looking for what is happening in technology, what is happening in society.
I think art should not be reduced as a message. I think art should open the opportunity for an audience to make sense of what they see, what they hear.
The technological world needs the cultural space to try to build possible futures that are less doomed than the one that we have ahead.
These technologies are just a tool. In the end, what we do with it depends on us.
We essentially scour the world for some of the most amazing startups that exist in the creative and cultural tech sectors.
We have visual arts, music, performing arts, cultural heritage, and we always try to keep them very mixed.
CultTech and the CultTech Summits have been a reference for IT culture and creativity because you have been building platforms to support the culture and creative sectors and the development of innovation. So it was very natural for us to look for a partnership with events like the CultTech Summit.
It's nice to see a founder on the stage really going for it, really working through it because it's their life, it's their passion.
The CultTech Global Expo, where businesses have an opportunity to present their goods and services in order to create business connections.
That was super interesting. We have found some nice contacts here, and hopefully we can follow up and make some great projects with all of them.
A lot of the value of what's happening is what's happening outside of the sessions.
I had a chance to meet a lot of great founders today.
Refreshing to see so many people who are excited about art and technology.
We can learn from each other and we can co-construct new projects.
Really great to have a conference that is solidly focused on arts and technology. I feel like I found my crowd.